Hi guys, welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how you can earn over $300 in 10 minutes or less in the Make Money Online niche. I'm Bobby D from bobbydonlinemarketing.com and I'm an affiliate marketer. I review websites and I bring out daily videos on how you guys can make money as quickly as possible. Now this site is brilliant and there is a really serious opportunity to make a lot of money. Now this site is perfect for absolutely anyone who wants to make quick, easy, simple money. It's perfect if you've got no experience in internet marketing whatsoever. And I will show you exactly what to do with the website as we go through the video. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, where I will show you exactly what you need to do, how you can make money every single day using this simple method. This really is a true passive income. You can enter this as many times as you want, and there are some serious opportunities to make large amounts of money. And you literally can make unlimited money with this method. The more effort you put in, the more money you can take. And for those of you that know me, my strapline is take action. If you take action, you're going to get somewhere. So before we get on with the course, do me a favor guys. This is my website, Bobby D, as you know. Please hit the subscribe button and then hit that really important bell icon. Subscribe now and I will send you a notification and an update with all my new videos, okay? You will not miss out on anything. Be it one of my affiliate marketing review videos that I also do on bobbydonlinemarketing.com, or one of my make money online videos, which I'm going to produce one a day. You will be the first to see these videos and the first to try them out. So please guys, make sure you do that. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and I will be very, very grateful. Now, let's get on with the training. So this is the website you need to go to. It's namingforce.com, namingforce.com, and you'll be presented with this website. Now basically this is a website where businesses ask for ideas to help them improve, be it an idea on their website, but more often than not they want a new company name or a new logo, and you guys are going to help them do that by suggesting names and logos, etc. And you can get some serious money from this. So the website is namingforce.com. These are some of the businesses that have been named recently. So this was a furniture store. It was called, the idea that members of the public came up with was brand boost, silverback trailers, aluminium trainers, temporary dental staffing, bite force, really good. Don't text and drive, thumbs up. Parking mat, meter mate, premium wine, hunter's moon, sell your business, self by self, twice, second-hand retail, twice is nice. So some really good names there that people have put forward. So the first thing you need to do on this website is become a namer. So just hit that there and then fill this in. First name, last name, username, email address, create a password, male, female, hit agree and hit register. You'll then be sent an email to confirm it. Just hit the link and you're starting up. Now this is for US and Canadian citizens only, but obviously there are ways around that with VPNs, etc. that I know some people have done. So once you've signed up, we'll go to contests. These are some of the live contests. So this one here, you can win $200. Okay. Now these prices go up to like $1,000. Let's click into it. So railroad software business, create software for assisting with signal engineering and troubleshooting. Signal engineering is design and maintenance of the stoplights for trains and gates, lights, belts and bells. So they give you a background about what they want. Now these are some of the names that people have put in. So it's all about railroad software business. All Signals Go, Tracklight, Signal Tech Systems, Smooth Go, Signal Whiz, Maintaining the Tracks, Traffic Signal Guru, Crossing Guard Signals, Cross Track. These are the ones that people have put in already, and there's a lot for this one. So you need to think of something that's snappy, something that's never more than 2 words. For those of you that know me, I am a successful domainer, so I buy and sell domain names all the time. I've got a course called Flipperdom. The link is below here if you're interested. And if I was looking at this from a domain point of view, you'd only ever use 2 words. One of these jumped out at me straight away that I liked it. What one was it? Signal Whiz. That I quite like already. You really got to keep them short and sweet. Like Maintaining the Tracks. I mean, that's just no. That is no good. Signal Force, really good one there as well. IntelliRails, really good one. Track Control, no, but Track Control will be good. So there's some really good ones there. Let's pop back there. Accountancy services. So we're a newly formed company looking for a name. And again, account navigators, Equitech accounting, you've got to think of something that people are going to remember. I'm not going to remember any of them. Finstra Tech accounting, no. CJ Minks, yeah, maybe. So all you guys are going to do is you are going to be putting up names of businesses, and then these guys will, at the end of the period, 4 days, 2 days, vote, and if you win, you get $200. It's a really simple way, and even if you just put one in, there's a chance that one's going to get picked and you're going to make money. So it's well worth doing this. It doesn't cost anything to sign up. It's free. Do it. Let's have a look at the facts. Most contents run between 7 and 3 days. And again, as a namer, as somebody who puts names forward, you do get a credit rating. So the more you do, the higher you get. So make sure you keep putting them in. Go to the help section here, guys. There's loads. It's really good. This is a great site. Excuse me for yawning. It's been a long day. So that's really it, guys. That is Naming Force. Now, there's another one, another site that you can have a quick look at called Slogan Slingers, and this is exactly the same. Brilliant slogans and taglines. You have our word for it. And these are some recent winners. Zozo's Burger Bar. Picasso used the canvas, we use the bun. Legal Artworks, we help jurors draw conclusions. That's good. Baptist Vein Centre, vein, go away. Race for the Cure, the real victories in the starting line. So this is the same sort of thing, but with slogans. For me, it's probably a bit more difficult to do, but this pays out some serious money as well. So there's 2 sites for you to look at there, guys. But slogans, yeah, a bit more difficult to think of, but you might be good at it. Let's have a look at this.
Welcome to Slogan Slingers, the world's best source for slogans, taglines, ad headlines, and more. Getting a slogan used to involve relying on a single freelance writer or ad agency. That meant long waits, few options, and a very high price. But what alternatives were there? Come up with something yourself?
So that's what it's about, making slogans. And again, you can make some serious money on that website. So that's 2 really good websites for you to look at. Naming Force and Slogan Slingers, all right? 2 really good sites, good chance of making some money. You can easily earn, it takes 2 minutes to put one of these together, and you could earn $200, $300, $400. It's worth doing, guys. Really passive way of making money. So that's it. Before you go, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video.